Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix this wireless display installing failed algorithm in Windows 11 or 10. How to fix this problem? So it is very easy to fix this problem. So firstly you need to first try to shut down your PC, start button, power button and this restart. So restart your PC or laptop and after restart search CMD and this command prompt run as the administrator. Just click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to type this command. If you comment, so I will give you in decision box. You need to just copy and paste this command. So this command, if you comment, so I will give in decision box. So you need to just copy and paste this command. And after this command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.